off that one.
I climbed just a few branches away from the top till Mom said to get down.
The ears are popping.
Oh, I was about to hit the last branch and I was like this. Get down!
Y'all remember being out here at Uncle Jerry's last week?
No.
That's where we come.
We had our get
It
together.
doesn't look like it.
That tree's down. Look at those two. That would have gotten on Mama's trailer if it had been there.
Our trailer's down here.
Right down here, honey. There's
Yeah.
the well house. That's what I said. It would have
I
been on
thought you
it.
were looking at that one back there. But here's where your mama's trailer was.
Yeah, that's what I said. That, no, it wouldn't have been on it, but it'd been close, I guess. Yeah, there's the helicopter flying over here now. Man.
It just stored everything.
Look in that tree.
Look at that
Yeah.
kite.
Yeah, somebody's flying a kite, aren't they?
Hey, Granddad.
Yeah, huh?
When we get home, guess what I'm gonna look up?
What?
I'm gonna
Goodness
look.
gracious.
There's some Indian ways.
Who is that?
I don't know.
He
No,
knows
we
it's
don't
just
know
coming
this
over.
people. No.
Thought he was.
Oh, wow.
Hey, a bike. It's terrible.
Let's look at these trees that took down at Uncle Jerry's.
Oh my gosh, look at the power line.
You know that tree that y'all was swinging in?
Yeah.
It's right over there, but you see that it's gone now, don't you?
What?
That's Uncle Jerry's house back there.
See where it hit his house.
Well, Granddad, this has something to do with trees and all the wood in the trees. Guess what I'm gonna do?
What?
I've learned that when trees are really small, really
Look,
small.
it just took just twisted the limbs out of those. Look how many of them just got leaves gone.
Is this the spot where the swing was?
Yeah, right there.
See the pond down there?
No. Yes. Oh, no.
Look at all the trees down there. Going out over Jerry's house.
See, that one right there's the one that had the swing in it.
The one that's...
This one's laying right here on the ground.
Oh.
There's Uncle Jerry.
See if you can see the swing.
That's be under the tree, sweetie. Oh, it did do damage to his porch.
Yeah, there's his house.
Hey,
Wow.
bulldozer.
This is unbelievable.
Where? Oh, look at the puppy.
Y'all be careful now, those dogs.
Those dogs are so cute. Those dogs are so cute.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, that black one just keeps licking and licking and licking and licking.
Step around there on the porch, please. Don't get on it, just stand in front of it there. That's good.
It's totally red.
I grabbed my britches and run to the basement.
Well, our house, I found it. Yeah, just, you know, when you come down to our spot and take a left to go to our house,
Yeah.
where the crossroads is, you know, that little farm that's I don't know if you ever know, the big little farm, the horse, they had horses and it set back off the road and they had a lot to mow in the front of it, and a bunch of big trees. Well, down through that section, just all those trees are out. Those trees laying on that house. But as far as right at our house, I found it in.
Well, see, it took all of the apartments at Glenda. It took her just completely destroyed all of the apartments. Yeah, she was over at her mama's, thank you.
Wow. Look at this, honey. Gee, you'll never get this cleaned up. Wow, it's just hard to comprehend. What did it destroy your tents and all that down there?
Oh, look. You just have to see. Well, that's what
There's a creek back there.
Uh-huh.
Hey, do you think we could ask Uncle Jerry when they come to cut all these trees up if we could take some logs of wood?
Go ask him. He's going to cut them up.
I'm trying.
Ah.
Because we could use them for our clubhouse.
Not to drink the water.
If we get like a log cabin.
But they got it on. So,
Here's some
and
flowers.
Billy said that
Give them to
supposed to
grandmother.
have it all, in Dade County, supposed to have the water back on today. So hopefully we'll have water back on out here today.
Now, is your generator...
I've got it out there, yeah, but it don't work right going through my switch box. But I got one. Like Gary B's husband this morning. I just got up and went out there and fired my generator up, and my coffee was just about through making. And he drove up, going to go down to the pond and get some water so they'd have to flush the commodes and stuff. And he said, well, B's just cooked a big bunch of biscuit and gravy and sausage. Said, you want to eat breakfast? I said, yeah. Get a hold of Jackie or go down to Dale. Dale got off that old place down there where Brother Henry used to live. Yeah, when he preached down there. And, but he come up yesterday to check on everything, and that's what he told me about Glenn and me.
Glenn and them's okay, honey.
Oh, they are?
In the basement. It just took the house off. She had a basement.
Thank the Lord they were there.
Yeah, but when this last one come through, Billy and Larry were standing at the door right there. Just had the glass door pushed back to where they could see and listen. Larry said, hear that? Sound just like a freight train.
That's what everybody says.
Well, man, when he said that, everybody went to the basement. And you could stand down there at the windows in the basement and see it, you know. Oh, man, it was
Taking those trees down?
Yeah.
Talk about scary. I just can't imagine. I couldn't get over over there. I don't know what years I've been